Now, it's going to be a busy day for U.S. investors, especially tech investors. Alibaba is also reporting its earnings before U.S. markets open, while Amazon and Microsoft also report after the close today. Ben Wood is global president at the digital marketing company iProspect. He's in our London studio to help us go through all the numbers. So first of all, Facebook, wow. Really wowing Wall Street. And what's really clever here, many people say, is that they've managed to combine the media experience, and that's what's so attractive for advertisers, isn't it? They've got Instagram, they've got WhatsApp. They're now going to have virtual reality and artificial intelligence.
Yeah, and I think the important thing to remember also is that Facebook, only a few years ago, was a business that was designed for desktop. And of course, consumers have shifted to mobile, and Facebook has made that transition seamlessly as well. So 80% of these revenues that they've reported coming from mobile, and that's really important for advertisers because obviously they're looking to follow the consumer.
And that's why the consumers managed to sign up to Facebook. More numbers, more users. This time last year, we were all talking about how people are coming offline, but they're doing the opposite because Facebook's offering them the ability to surf Facebook while they're on their mobiles, etc., etc.
Absolutely. And, you know, the new figures, more than a fifth of the world's population are now using that platform. It's unbelievable. And I think as they start to build their business into the developing world, we're going to see those numbers continue to increase. So as an agency representing advertisers, we're unbelievably bullish about Facebook, both in terms of advertising and in terms of user growth.
It's not just Facebook that we need to talk about, also Amazon, Alibaba, you name it. There's so many out there. Which one really do you think has the most compelling story?
I mean, Alibaba has been interesting. It's been a great story. It's represented that unbelievable growth in China. It's represented e-commerce across that region. If you look at their numbers, even for their kind of one-off sale events, they're unbelievable. £14 billion worth of sales last year on Singles Day. I think the interesting story with with that business is whether or not it's going to weather that Chinese slowdown. That's what everybody's looking towards. I think the forecasts are that it will grow again. The big question is whether revenue is going to start to slow or not. And I think that's what everybody's going to be looking towards on Thursday.
Amazon, that's going to do quite well, actually, now that finally it's starting to turn profits, it seems.
Yeah, 36 billion, I think the forecasts are in terms of sales for the last quarter. You know, it's a business that's doing unbelievably well. You also have to look at its diversification. You look at Prime. They're talking about 35% user growth on that platform. And what's really important about Prime is that people who use that service are 700% more valuable than people who don't. So driving subscribers to that service, really important. So something to look at on Thursday.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Targeting the higher income play as well. Ben Wood, great to have you on the show. Thanks so much for joining us there from the digital marketing company iProspect.